Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is February 20th, 2025, and we're diving into Builders FirstSource's latest earnings report for the fourth quarter and full year of 2024. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Builders FirstSource, a leading supplier of building products and services in the U.S., has just released their earnings report. It's a comprehensive look at their performance over the past year, and I'm excited to break it down with you.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Builders FirstSource reported net sales of $3.8 billion for the fourth quarter, which is an 8% decrease compared to last year. John, can you shed some light on this?
Absolutely. The decline in net sales was primarily driven by lower core organic sales and commodity deflation. However, there was some offset from acquisitions and an additional selling day. The gross margin also decreased by 300 basis points to 32.3%, reflecting ongoing margin normalization in their single-family and multifamily segments.
And what about their net income?
Net income for the fourth quarter was $190.2 million, a significant drop of 45.8% from the previous year. This was mainly due to lower gross profit, although it was partially offset by reduced operating and income tax expenses.
EPS forecast and actual performance. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of $2.24 for Builders FirstSource based on a survey of 5 analysts. How did the actual results compare?
Builders FirstSource reported an adjusted EPS of $2.31 for the fourth quarter, which is a beat by 0.07 cents compared to the forecast. This outperformance was primarily driven by share repurchases, which helped offset the decline in adjusted net income.
That's a positive surprise for investors. What does this tell us about the company's financial management?
It indicates that despite the challenging environment, Builders FirstSource has been effective in managing its capital allocation strategy, particularly through share repurchases, which have supported their EPS performance.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Moving on to operational efficiencies, Builders FirstSource reported an adjusted EBITDA of $493.6 million for the fourth quarter, a decrease of 28%. What were the main factors here?
The decrease in adjusted EBITDA was primarily due to lower gross profit, although it was partially offset by lower operating expenses. The company has been focusing on operational excellence and supply chain initiatives, which delivered $13 million in productivity savings for the quarter.
And looking ahead, what is the company's outlook for 2025?
For 2025, Builders FirstSource expects net sales to be in the range of $16.5 billion to $17.5 billion. They are also projecting a gross profit margin between 30% and 32%, and adjusted EBITDA between $1.9 billion and $2.3 billion. The company is positioning itself well with investments in value-added solutions and acquisitions.
CEO and C insights. Let's discuss the insights from the company's leadership. What did the CEO and CFO have to say about these results?
Peter Jackson, the CEO, emphasized the company's resilience and operational excellence in a complex environment. He highlighted their focus on value-added solutions and technology investments. Meanwhile, CFO Pete Beckman pointed out the strong free cash flow generation and the disciplined capital allocation strategy, which includes maintaining a strong balance sheet and returning capital to shareholders through share repurchases.
It sounds like they are confident in their strategic direction.
Indeed, their statements reflect a commitment to long-term growth and shareholder value, even amidst current challenges.
Key takeaways. In summary, Builders FirstSource has navigated a challenging year with a focus on operational efficiency and strategic investments. Despite a decrease in net sales and adjusted EBITDA, they managed to beat EPS expectations and maintain strong free cash flow. John, any final thoughts on their investment prospects?
Builders FirstSource remains a strong player in the building products sector. Their strategic initiatives and financial management position them well for future growth. Investors should keep an eye on their execution of the 2025 outlook.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Builders FirstSource's performance in the comments below. Until next time.